My name is Hiroya Sato from the University of Tokyo, Japan. Nice to meet you. It's a much pleasure to talk here in front of you, make a presentation. We, the Group 4, will make a short presentation about the sub-famous C, the effective internal communication among university staff working on international affairs. But not only staff working on international affairs, we thought about all of the staff in the university, because now maybe not only Department of International Affairs, but also all of the administrative section of the university must be internationalized for the many activities for international affairs. Our suggestion is two steps. First step is, as you can see, face-to-face interaction in the university. Yesterday and today, we talk about the university of oneself to each other. It's very good opportunity to exchange information. But I realized that I do not know enough about my university. So in one's university, we need more opportunity to talk about the problems or know-how or information about how to treat international affairs, or more like that many problems about administrative problems. So regularly held meeting of staff to share information and problems is needed, we thought. So this is from all sections of the university, one by one, and gathering and talk about what is needed and what is problem, or what is a good solution, what is good information to treat, such as international affairs. Maybe some university try to make like that meeting or gathering to sharing information, but we think it must be some kind of official meeting, because the motivation to talk about it is section by section. It differs section by section. So in order to make this project to official one, we need make some objective goal. So it must be goal-oriented meeting. Our suggestion of goal is this one, the database platforms. So we need information, we need some solution to treat international affairs. So we want to make a shared database platform in the university. The contents of the database, maybe we think three contents of the database. One is the database of international activities. This is what is called database. Agreements of the university makes. The university have. Maybe the department by department, the section programs. So we have many kinds of agreements and many kinds of activities, exchanging researchers, students, and teachers. But maybe it's hard to find just one step. So we must make a database of international activities. And the second one is updated manual to treat international affairs. For example, in Japan, some human resources procedures in the public office is only dealt by Japanese. So we have to, the university staff have to help foreign students or foreign researchers to help their procedures. In order to do, we need a perfect manual, but there's no perfect manual, because the system is changing day by day. So we have to share a manual online and update it, not just made and shared, but also updated by many staff at each department. So this database platform is a database, and at the same time the platform to discuss and share, exchange information. And the third one is this is the most I'm interested in, the A to Z dictionary in multi-language. So now, many universities, which is not English common language state, use many kind of English notice, English announcement. But stuff by stuff, or section by section, the translated word is different. So what is the name of this program in English? What is the name of this building in English? It's a different department by department, stuff by stuff. So we need a perfect dictionary, A to Z dictionary in English, or if it is possible, or more languages, in the same website. Every student can access it, so know how can I say that name of the building, name of the program, name of the title in English or other languages. And at the same place, we want to make some example of notice. So you do not smoke here, you must not park bicycle here, or like the thing. Many kinds of notice we have to make announcement to all members of the university. It must be Japanese and English or many languages just now. So this dictionary, the information spot is very important for us to make good communication or good solution to all the university staff. It's a very short presentation, but this is a suggestion from we group 4. Thank you very much, John. Thank you very much. 谢谢你. 감사합니다. 두리마카시. 곱군. 신카몬. Muchas gracias. ありがとうございました。